Hi, my name's Bill. I'm here with ET3 Design. BMW used these fuel pump control modules from the early 2000s into about 2015, depending on the model. They have several different modules, but they all have the same driver control circuit that is prone to failure. If you've been driving for a little bit on the road and your car shuts down, there's a good chance that that's caused by the fuel pump control module failing. So we have an oscilloscope connected to the output of the fuel pump control module, and the output is the wires going to the fuel pump itself. And on the oscilloscope we can see that the voltage is pulse width modulated going to the fuel pump. As I change the engine RPM, we can see it's providing more fuel or more power to the fuel pump. Okay, this is one of our test fixtures that we have to test the fuel pump control modules. We have a power supply that's simulating the battery. We have a load resistor bank that simulates the fuel pump, and we can monitor the output of the fuel pump control module. You notice the waveform's same as what we saw when the car was running. This is running at about an 80% duty cycle, which is about what the duty cycle is when the car is just at idle. So we can, as we change the load, we can measure the temperature change on the module. We can verify that the output's functioning properly. Well, heat is the main problem. So a car sitting in a parking lot when it's 90 degrees outside, inside the car it might get to 130 degrees. Then you start driving, and it takes about a half hour for that control module to also heat up. So you got a hot day and you drive for a half hour or so, that's a big factor in having it potentially shut down on you or fail. We have a new design that can address that problem. The output control circuit's been redesigned to run much cooler. It's about 60 degrees Fahrenheit cooler than the stock modules. If you're running a high performance fuel pump, you definitely want to use one of these improved design modules. After you replace the control module, you need to use a scanning tool on the OBD port to recode the module to the car. ET3 Design has the right solution for you. Click on the Amazon link below.